What's the meaning of controvert? Controvert. Controvert.
Controvert. Controvert. The word controvert means to argue or debate about a controversial issue. It implies a clash between strongly held opinions or views, with both sides actively seeking to prove their point and discredit the other. The result of a controverted issue can be either resolution or further disagreement. Resolution occurs when one side presents a more compelling argument and the other side concedes defeat. Further disagreement occurs when neither side is able to persuade the other and the issue remains contentious.